The deadline to get your taxes done is this Thursday, and if you haven't started them yet, surprisingly, you're not alone. News 10's Abby Walton joins us now live from our newsroom with what you need to know if you've been procrastinating on your taxes. Good afternoon, Abby.
Good afternoon, Susie. Well, get this. 1/5 of all taxpayers wait until this week, the deadline week, to start on their taxes. So what do you do if you fall into this category? Andy Stadler of Stadler Tax Services in Terre Haute says the first thing you need to do is get all your papers together with your income. Then you can do what's called e-file, which lets you send your tax return electronically through the IRS's website. Stadler says the most common mistakes that people make are because they're in too big of a hurry, like misplacing or giving out the wrong Social Security number. So just make sure that you have these things correct and you're taking time when you go through your form. Also, if you don't think you'll be able to get your form done by this Thursday, you do need to file an extension.
One thing that the extension does not give you an additional amount of time to pay. A lot of people misinterpret that and think you use an additional amount of time to pay. Your due date is still April 15th. It reduces the penalty for not filing on time, but it does not reduce the penalty for not paying on time.
Now, Stadler says you can go to any Stadler Tax Service office and do that extension for free. If you do owe Uncle Sam some money, but you don't have the money to pay right now, there are a couple things you can do. You can either go through a local lender like a bank to get the money. You can pay your money to the IRS on a credit card, or what Stadler says is the last resort. You can do a payment plan through the IRS, but he says you want to watch that because they do put daily penalties and fees on this, so you could end up paying a lot more than you originally would have. Reporting live in the newsroom, Abby Walton, News 10. Susie, back to you in the studio.
Some good advice. Thank you so much, Abby. Again, the tax deadline is this Thursday, April 15th.